Today, we're diving into the world of aerial photography with the EXO mini drone. Sporting a 1.26 inches CMOS sensor, this drone is a powerhouse for photography enthusiasts, capturing stunning 12MP photos with an impressive f2.2 aperture. Whether it's expansive landscapes or captivating portraits, the EXO Mini delivers impeccable image quality every time. But it doesn't stop there. Elevate your videography game with cinematic 4K UHD video shooting at 100 megabits per second. The 3-axis gimbal ensures your footage remains stable and smooth, rivaling the production value of a movie. Flying with the EXO Mini is a breeze, offering a range of over 5 miles and a generous 40-minute flight time. Plus, with wind resistance exceeding 20 miles per hour, you can trust it in challenging weather conditions. The user-friendly software is a game-changer, making professional drone flying accessible to everyone. Built-in features like return to home, follow me mode, quick shots, hyperlapse, waypoints, and more add convenience and creative possibilities to your aerial adventures. And it's not just a drone, it's a complete package. Purchase the EXO Mini, and you'll receive free accessories to enhance your flying experience. Dive into the Part 107 course included, gaining the knowledge and certification for commercial flight. With lifetime tech support and the EXO repair service, you can fly with confidence, knowing you're backed every step of the way. Get ready to unleash the full potential of aerial photography with the EXO Mini drone. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.